appreciate you for tuning in. So you can see, special guest once again.
Again.
It's a new year, so more sneaker releases. And since we're in January, we might as well start with the sneakers that I'm most looking forward to in the month of January. And if you didn't know, today's my birthday. But I mean, once you see this video, it's definitely going to be after the fact. But still, leave some love down in the comments below. You know. So first off, I'm going to try to keep these in order as far as release dates if I can. If not, I mean, just bear with me. They're coming out this month. So first up, you see the Volt Gold Air Jordan 1. What's all that for?
I mean, it's just too much. It doesn't go to me.
That's why I like them. They're different. I know a lot of people don't like them, but I mean, I like them. So.
But you got them.
I mean, I don't have them yet, but I won the raffle. Shout out to Finish Line. So I will be picking those up. Review coming soon. But I mean, I like them.
I mean, I like them. They're not bad. I like them. They're okay.
Okay, I'll take it. First one. Okay. All right, coming in next, the Street Hawker SB. I think it's like for the Chinese New Year. Of course, they mismatch as you can see, but I like it. It's definitely, they're tough. They're definitely tough.
So if you could, you would?
Yeah, for sure. I know it's gonna be kind of hard, but we'll see what happens. Hey, CCS. You know, so we got a nice relationship going. Let's keep the positivity.
But really, though.
Well, yeah, I definitely want this.
I mean, I like the aspect of the mismatch. Yeah. What is that? Like dragon?
I'm sure I can blow it up. I think it has something to do with like it's some kind of food reference. Shout out to Sneaker Odyssey. He did that on his channel. But I don't want to get it wrong because I don't remember.
True.
But it's like different. I want to say it's like street food or something.
I don't know.
If you're watching this, bro, drop the knowledge in the comments. Because I know you did the video on it, you did the research. I didn't. I'm being lazy. Sorry. But once I get them for the review, I would definitely have the full-blown history lesson on these joints. Breaking it down, okay? But until then, Sneaker Odyssey, you got you. Alright, let's see what's the next one. I want to say these are next. The Chinese New Year Jordan 1 low breads, or I don't know what the official name of it, but it's like a low top bread with the Chinese New Year pattern and everything on it. I'm definitely a fan. I mean, I like low top ones and this silhouette, you know, the OG style, not the new, like, bulky, fat looking ones. I'm not a fan of those.
Yeah.
But I like it when they take that silhouette and just chop the top off. Like that. That's like the OG.
That's fair.
You know, it's real narrow. It's like, it's a big difference. I know, like, low top ones, you have to see them in hand
to know.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying.
But, like, when you see that one and the ones they're dropping now, you can tell the difference. So I'm glad they're going back to the OG. And this is, I don't know, this is crazy. I would definitely take the tassel off, you know.
Yeah, the tassel.
Like Mike Rich said, like you about to graduate or something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he said you can cut the tassel off, man. And we were talking about the tassel.
Oh really?
Because we both trying to go for these joints, but the tassel kind of throws it off. But
yeah.
you can take it off. If anything, like I have a knife with some scissors, like it's coming off regardless.
I mean, I could kind of see it, but it's just like, who the hell would?
I mean, I respect the culture, you know, the Chinese culture for real.
Oh yeah.
But as far as it being an American, I'll probably take the tassel off. No disrespect to my cousins.
Trolling.
Moving on. What's next? I know these are the last two, so okay. Now, this pair, I'm on the fence.
Not me.
Cause if you saw my last video about the Quantums, you know that the only pair of 700s I like is the Wave Runner. And this is basically a yellow Wave Runner. It has the same colorway or same elements as the Wave Runner does. They just like flip the certain areas with different splashes of color. So this one is one of those I'm still on the fence. Because, like I said, it reminds me of the Wave Runners, but it's yellow. instead of gray. And then the sole is different too, you know. But
So it's basically the silhouette.
I mean, it's the 700 silhouette, but like the color blocking is like the wave runner. That's what makes the wave runner like different from the other ones.
Got it.
Because like the other 700s is just like just monochrome or like.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I have to see some like early reviews or something, but we'll see. January's a long month. Now the last two have to be the most highly anticipated drops of January for anybody.
It's not the same thing.
No, see, to the untrained eye, dealing with a rookie over here.
We've established that.
This is the Jordan 4, the taupe.
Top.
Taupe.
Tote.
I don't know.
Tote.
That sounds good.
Tote.
That sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
But apparently this is like the poor man's Travis Scott. He had like a friends and family colorway like this. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I don't want to just be like taking forever.
The poor man's?
Yeah, because you know, just like the mochas, they said they're the poor man Travis Scott because they had brown in it, but it's not like the same.
Yeah, but they're different.
Well, this one is pretty close to the other one. Friends and family Travis Scott. If you haven't done so already, man, you like what you see, subscribe. That's all you got. I'm telling you what to do.
Like, comment, share. Even if you get to this point and you're like, meh, there might be somebody that will be like, yay, so share it.
But I mean, we don't want the negativity, but you know.
I mean, yeah, don't put the negativity there, but you know, keep it pushing.
So yeah, I'll throw the picture up there for you guys to see. But I think this is the friends and family one.
That's ugly. I mean, I like that over that.
Well, you heard it here first. But I mean, I like this colorway. I like the materials different. You know, usually you like the leather or you get like a suede, but that's kind of like a rugged. Oh, and also I just found out that the material is like tearaway, so there's another design underneath the shoe. So that's another reason I want to go for it. If I can see images of what's underneath first. Because I don't want to be surprised and I start cutting it, you know, doing whatever.
So you just don't have to tear it apart?
But I feel like if it's a tearaway shoe, I have to tear it up.
That just sounds so destructive. I mean, I get it, but I don't.
Well, hopefully we'll get some pictures before these actually drop so I can make my final decision.
But I like them. I mean, I like the colors.
Yeah, I do too.
I'm a neutral.
And last but not least.
Oh, yeah, that's very different. Never mind.
Yeah. We have, if I can pull it over here, the Cool Gray 3s. This has been a long time since they dropped. A long time.
Like this?
Like, period. This colorway.
So this has dropped before?
Yeah, I want to say 06 or something like that. Yeah,
so what's different? Let me test you.
As far as I'm concerned, nothing is different. The price, that's what's different.
That's weird.
The prices, I think when they came out, they might have been 160 max.
So what are they?
Or maybe 150. Oh, you did? 190. All the way. That's about the only difference is that I can see. I mean, unless something, let's say change some materials up or, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to the Cool Gray 3s. You got the hits of yellow in there. The different shades of gray.
Yeah, I don't like them. I love gray. But not that.
Oh.
But I'm sure you'll prove me wrong. Per usual.
Facts. So yeah, that's going to do it for the highly anticipated January releases for me. As you can see, 9 times out of 10, she disagrees with everything that I like as far as shoes until I actually get them.
Yeah, and then he proves me wrong.
She didn't like these either.
I did not like them. They just different.
So yeah.
But now your shoes are a surgeon, I tell you.
Yep. Life of a sneaker guy, I guess.
Sneaker guy.
Yeah, sneaker guy. I don't want to call myself a sneakerhead. I don't like that term. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know down below what you're looking forward to on this list, and if there's anything in general. I might do a month. So let me know if y'all want to do want me to do a month release video to give you kind of like an insight on what I'm looking forward to. I know a lot of people doing like the copper drop, or a version of that, but I just want to stick to like the shoes that I'm trying to go after.
That's fair.
And I'll definitely try to add some Saya in there as well, or maybe I'll do a weekly thing, because Saya there's all over the place. There's no like set release dates. So.
Except for Saturdays.
I mean, yeah, Saturday.
10 a.m.
But
West Coast time.
as far as knowing in advance what's gonna drop Saturday, is I have to go week by week if I would make those videos.
Oh, that you don't know.
Yeah, I think you might know like Wednesday or Thursday, the week of what's coming out Saturday. Keep you on your toes, that's for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, this video's moving into a different direction, so I'll catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now y'all excited.